So inside of the albums, you may have many photos. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here onto my album, you can see that I got different photos right here. But let's say inside of the album as well, you want to divide those photos. In that case, what you can do is you can add text to the album as well. So to do that, you simply need to click on the three dot button and then click on Edit Album. Once you do that, over here in between, what you can do is you can simply add text. So to do that over here, I'm just going to go around over here and then let's say, for example, go to the text option. So now I'm going to go around onto text and you can see that there's this text right here. So I can see something like outdoors right here, just like this. And once you do that, that text has been added in. So now I can move all the photos of outdoors over here on the bottom right here, just like this. And then I can go ahead add in another text right here. Let's say, for example, this is going to be let's say, for example, random right here. And inside of random, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in this particular photo right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it into random. And then once you do that, you can see that you can have a subcategory by adding in text right here, just like this. So now if I were to edit the album, then you can see that I got the text right here. The outdoor text and everything is here. You can edit it out. And then this is what you have right here. And that is how you can go ahead and then add text inside of album inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.